Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to manage public links for shared Gemini chats. So if you shared a chat with one of your friends and you changed your mind after that, I will show you how to manage that link. And to share a chat, it's very easy. You have just to go to any chat that you want, long press on it. And after that, click on Share Conversation, and it will give you the options that you can use for sharing, like link copying or send it directly to one of your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, or whatever. And if you changed your mind and you want to get out your friend from that chat, as you can see, there is an option. And this option is called Settings. Click on it. And in Settings, as you can see, the first option is your public links. Click on it. And here it will give you the link that you shared, that you created. You can just click on, you can share them again by clicking on the copy icon, or you can delete them easily like this. Click on delete and click on delete for the other link also. And like that, no one will have access to this conversation anymore. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.